Hello, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use two controllers to play on one game when you're on your PlayStation 5. And this is the controller assist feature. So if I go up to the top here and select this, then going down to where it says accessibilities, then go to controller and go to right and go to use second controller for assistance. So I can select this, and this says use a second controller as an assist controller to let you and another person use two controllers as if they were one single controller. This feature is available when using a DualSense wireless controller, DualSense Edge wireless controller, or the supported third-party PS5 controller. So this will not work with the PS4 controller. So let's select this and make sure this feature is turned on. Now you can see there is no, and it says to use a second controller as an assist controller, press the PlayStation button on the controller, and then select the user that will be using the controller. So let's press the PlayStation button, and then we will have to log into an account. It says assign the assist controller right here on the top. So I can go to a different profile now, and it's just going to say assign controller. So I have to log into the same profile so I can see controller number one is logged in right here, and I can assign the assist controller to this account. So I have two controllers on one account now. So when I'm playing the game, I should be able to use this feature now. And it says DualSense wireless controller as assist controller right there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.